What's up? Morning. So, I've been up all night. I ain't gonna lie, I woke up at like 1 in the morning. Told myself I was gonna wake up at 1 a.m. Woke up at like 1:15, around 1 in the morning. Told myself I was gonna wake up and just look. Boy, oh boy, did I just look. So I was looking right with the whoop. And yeah. Today was a great day. Great day. So, my bias for the day. At around like 1 in the morning to like 4, came up with a bias that we were going to go down to then look for higher levels of liquidity. Specifically target Asia's 2 days ago. Asia low 2 days ago. And yeah, we did that. Yeah. And I basically just I took the trades that were on the way down to that level that I was referring to. I took 3 trades on NQ, and I took 2 trades on, I'll show you guys the NQ ones first, because those were the ones I took first, to be honest with you. You guys see that? Alright, my bad. I was adjusting the camera. I think it should be alright. Alright, whatever. Let me hide the drawings really quickly. Alright, so I woke up around like this time. Right around here. Like around this time is when I got on. So it was like around like 2 when I got on the charts. So I saw I saw that Asia swept, or didn't really, damn. Low key, every time around like 10, 11, I'm usually done trading by this time because of like the new schedule that I've been using. But, dude, staying up all night, looking at the fucking market, taking trades all night. It's not really optimal, but I don't know, I kind of like fuck with it. And dude, like, every single day around this time, I get so tired, so I have to take like a 4-hour, 5-hour nap. But whatever, right? So, day open price, which is right here. I see that Asia manipulates above. Usually when Asia goes above or below day open, that usually means we'll reverse, or in London we'll manipulate and reverse, which is exactly what we did here. So Asia went up, went down. London went up pre-market. It interesting stuff. Give me a second. That's more like it. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Alright, but so Asia went above day open price. What does that tell me? Okay, we're manipulating to the upside. So what are we gonna do? Go down. I went onto the daily yesterday. I was watching the daily. Closed above. I'm sorry, it was pushing above Tuesday's open to push bearish, which is what we did. So today I was watching. We also pushed bearish, and then yeah. I'm trying to like explain it, but like I don't know. Like you just gotta get it, bro. Like you can't be this stupid. Nah, I'm just messing with you, man. I got you, bro. Dude, I need to go to bed. I'm just rambling. Alright. Let's get this shit out the way. So, London clearly manipulates the top. Go down to the 1 minute. We can clearly see London manipulates the top. What happens after? Let's turn this back on. What happens after? Well, I'll tell you. This line right here is the fib of a leg, which is this leg right here. It's the 0.36 zone. And yeah. So, this is the 15-minute chart. I clearly see that we're we're bearish on the day open. Jesus, I'm tired. We're bearish on the day open. Yeah, bearish on the day open. What else? I took this trade because I wasn't on ES. There's S&T. Yeah. So right here, I have it off, but there's an S&T right here, or like right here, and obviously, if you know how to use S&Ts, that brought us down, opposite way, target the opposite way. Then we drop down to the 1 minute, because on the 1 minute on NQ, it's like, I don't know. Me personally, I take executions on NQ on the 1 minute. Unlike me on ES, where I take executions majority based off of the 3 minute. But whatever. Alright, so there was a 1 minute right here. Felt to go lower. Alright. Inverse. Entry off the inverse. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright, about stop loss at the swing low. Targeting swing high. Hit. Alright, boom. That's 1 out of the 5. Then back onto the 15 minute. Clearly see we went up, manipulated the day open. Once again, remember, all of this super choppy. We don't really want this. 5 a.m. is where you really do want to start the trade, which is by the time that I got to TP was when 5 a.m. hit. And yeah, so all of this was just severely an inducement. This was the manipulated and mitigated the day open. There was a 15-minute fair value gap, failed to go higher. We tapped it, disrespected it. We broke it, and then we tapped it again. That's when I entered to take the Asia low. This was a 133 point. This was a banger. I ain't even gonna lie. This right here was a fucking banger. And then the same thing here. 3-minute gap. Failed to go higher. Same thing. Broke. Down in the 1 minute. Broke. I mean, you can't really see it, but hold on. It broke. Tapped. Broke. Entered off this break. I actually entered off of here, but whatever. No, entered off. Alright, whatever. Entered off of this. Tap. Targeting 100 points. I don't think it was. I think it was just like a 1 to 3. Yeah, 3.6. Yeah, those are all the trades that I took on NQ. I already knew that we were going to go bearish simply because we manipulated the upside, and well, I know NQ, there's a possibility that on Friday we end the week bullish. So in order to do that, this is quite the hefty amount, so we'd have to build all this liquidity. And yeah, I knew that the only level on the downside would be this, which I don't really think we'd hit that the day open. We do have possibility to, but I know for a fact that we're gonna hit and sweep the Asia low. So yeah, those were the trades that I took on NQ. Now for ES. ES was a banger, I ain't gonna lie. She was rocking. She was super fucking simple. Alright, but 15-minute point of interest. Alright. Broke to the downside. Retest. Mitigated 15-minute zone. Alright, broke down. Back down to the 1 minute. 1 minute gap. 3 minute respects it. We enter off the 3 minute. Target 15.25. Banged. Same thing here. Gap. Failure to go down. Enter off the 3 minute. Boom. 15. And yeah. Mind you, this, I don't know why my indicator isn't working all of a sudden, but all of this is already in an SMT simply because we were trying to get Asia low. Previous Asia low, sorry. Which is over here. And so yeah, I already knew that we were going to be bearish for ES just momentarily before we got up in VWAP reverse, which is what we did on NQ. You see. But yeah, it's pretty much today's little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I enjoyed it. Very soon I'm gonna very soon I'm gonna maybe cop me like a Ferrari, or I don't know, I was looking at cribs. 5 mil will get me like one of those like Scarface mansions. I'm thinking like year and a half. I got the crib, I got the car. Everyone's good. Yeah, the family on top, man, that's it. Levano Enterprise. Very soon I'm gonna make a video on that. Big plans coming for the future. Can't even lie to you. Real big plans. Besides that, not much, man. Just shit. We're getting rich. We're getting rich.